So who's hiring? In terms of content creators, every industry is probably hiring. You name it, there probably is somebody who's looking for someone to help them with content creation. You don't have to be the face of the brand, but they need somebody to help them with some kind of social media or online content. And it doesn't have to be video. It could also be blog posts. They might need a content writer. They might need someone who does email marketing, right? That's writing and setting things up. The templates are correct. There could be someone who wants to hire you just to create templates on Canva or AR filters on Snapchat. There are plenty of different kinds of content that you can create that you're using your skills to do, right? For others or for yourself. When I think about content creation, yes, we are EntertainmentCareers.Net. However, even in unexpected, non-sexy industries like pharmaceuticals or financial services, content creation is in high demand, right? They need people, again, the through line here is they need people like you who can tell a story, technically on a camera or behind the scenes. They need you to tell a story. Or can you tell a story? Look at these bullets here. They're pretty much the same ones you'll see on a marketing or communications or sales job listing, right? Attention to detail, listening skills, research skills, problem solver, personal people that we can actually connect to. Now, the screenshots here. So the gentleman in the back, he's an attorney who helps people with student debt, student loans. This is his TikTok. Even in an industry that's like super not sexy, right? Bankruptcy is not sexy. It's, that's not entertainment, but there's a need for this content. This is why he's blown up. I think he's called like the money wise lawyer. The people in the forefront of the screen, these two people, they represent a pharmaceutical company, but they are not selling to customers like me and you. They're selling to pharmacists and manufacturers. So it's B2B. So again, they need someone who is holding the camera, directing them, possibly scripting them, because, pharmaceuticals and talking to pharmacists, we definitely would love for these two senior level people to talk to pharmacists at a level that the pharmacists want to hear from them, right? So again, thinking about this, it's not just like social media, but it's really how can we place and produce content with these two people who work in pharma who can market to pharmacists, right?